Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush from Roborock S5 Max. First you will need to flip your robot upside down like I have right here, so you can see the brush right here. Then to remove it, there's two buttons that we need to press on like this. Just pull them with your fingers and then pull the entire cover towards yourself. It should fully go out, and then we can find the brush inside. To remove it, we'll need to push it to the left and towards us, and now the brush is removed. If you want to reinsert it, then make sure it's aligned with the slots. So there's the square slot on the left side and the thin slot on the right side. And we're gonna align it like this, then slide it in, make sure that it rotates, grab the cover, align it with the slot, and then push it in until you hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.